Remember, land and natural mineral resources belong to the people. That was the mandate given to the ruling party by the natives. But all went wrong at the negotiations. Apartheid agents and Askaris dominated discussions. Hello, PPMO ecosystem. The power of collective manifestation. This is all possible by collective manifestation and every citizen having a clear picture of how our country's resources can belong/benefit the people. Picture and visualize a clear model similar to Qatar, Dubai, Abu Dhabi and other GCC members. The Middle East. Poverty in SA is the result of those sent to negotiate and implement. Abandoned the mission. Negotiated their personal chair around the table. Negotiated for their personal wealth. Visualize all those youth, the victims of democracy, mothers and fathers, working in the entire value chain of that resource. No rioting and looting but productive members of society. Remember, you being discriminated, oppressed and systematically replaced by foreign nationals are key objectives of the program. Remember, this mess is man-made. So it can be reversed and our people can also participate in our resources. Simple model of all resources must be mined by the state, ownership is with the people as no one put them in the ground. Each resource must have a sovereign fund where all revenues are deposited for that mineral. Those funds are used to implement projects/interventions to improve the citizens' lives. These revenues must be updated monthly and made available to citizens. Balances. Stay positive and focused on the target. We can change this current operating model. We can realize our collective manifestation. Vote in a nationalist hybrid government. That puts citizens right front and center. A party who understand what a sovereign country is and means. What the role of borders are and how the world operates. A party that will immediately change the constitution. A party that sees and is motivated by the likes of Qatar/Middle East. A party who can see how this model can be implemented here to benefit the people. Not Zol smoking loud mouths. They created the laws, constitution, operating model that is stealing/looting your mineral resources. Working with foreign-controlled companies. Native, we need to implement what was abandoned at the negotiations. Click on subscribe on the YouTube channel to support. I know most of you see this, stay positive. The future is bright. Just remove them. uMadam here. Awesome, have a great one.